everybody, this is Silvia. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I wanted to share with you the latest things that I've gotten for Hobby Lobby. So these are paper pads. No, actually these are 12 by 12 collection kits that I got, and I was really excited when I saw these. I actually went to a Hobby Lobby that's near where I live, but I went a little bit later during the day, so it might have been like already like midday, and I thought, oh, I'm just gonna stop by. I had seen people posting that there's items on sale. I didn't think I was gonna get anything. I thought, oh, things are already gone, it's a Saturday, so I figured I might not be so lucky, but I actually got a lot of things. So these are all just like I said, the 12 by 12 collection kits. So this is the first one that I found. This one is from Simple Stories, and it's called Oh Happy Day. This one is originally $12.99, and it was reduced to $3.24. So I was really excited to see these orange stickers on these, and I was like, which ones do I like? I'm only gonna take the ones that I really like, because I have so much paper at home already. But you know what happens when other people go with you to the store and they're like, oh, you should definitely take advantage of it because, you know, it's a really good sale. You want to make sure that you get it. What about if it's, you know, what about if it's discontinued or whatnot? So I couldn't give up me trying to get this this deal. And so these pretty much are all 75% off based on the amounts that they originally were. So this is 101 pieces, and it does include all of these papers that you see here. And then it includes, I'm gonna try to do my best here. It includes all of these cards here. And then here, and then it includes a sticker. So it says 12 double-sided designer cardstock papers, including 4 element sheets, sizes 2x2, 3x4, 4x4, and 4x6, and then 1 12x12 sheet of combo cardstock stickers, including 89 stickers. So these are the stickers in the back, which are really cute. There's these little cute llamas here. So I've mentioned this before. I have this thing about buying things in twos. So I obviously had to get 2 of these. And to be honest, I took all the ones that had orange stickers on them. So don't ask me why, but I did. Alright, so the next one I'm going to share is, let me see. It's this one that's called, and this one, like I said, I took all of them. These were 4 that were left, and these are the Homemade with Love by Karina Gardner. And these were $2.49 compared to $9.99, and it comes with all these pattern papers here. And then it tells you like the other things that it comes with down here. So it says, this is from Cartabella. Contains 9 12x12 double-sided texture papers, 12x12 element sticker sheets, so 1 of them. So it comes with all of these, and then these are the stickers on the back, which I love because it tells you this is all about cooking and doing stuff in the kitchen and baking, and loving to cook, which, to be honest, I'm really bad in the kitchen, period. So I'm not like even a baker or a cooker. I can make something that will make me survive, but I'm definitely not a cook or a baker. But yeah, so I ended up getting, like I said, 4 of these because it was all the ones that were left. Now these other ones, there was only 1 of each, so I couldn't, you know, I didn't have a choice. So this one is the 12 inches by 12 inches Mammy Kit scrapbook kit, and this one was $2.49 compared to $9.99, and it does come with everything. So these are the stickers, and then these are more stickers, the papers that it comes with. It doesn't give me details here, so maybe on the back it will tell me. Oh, here we go. So it's from Me and My Big Ideas, and it comes with 12 inch by 12 inch papers, 63 stickers, 5 soft spoken pieces, and 12 chipboards. So it looks like these are the stickers here. And then it says 5 soft spoken pieces, so I think it's these, and then these are the chipboards. And like I said, these are the papers down here. This one's really pretty. I also like that one as well, so I got that one. I had seen this one in the past, but I had never bought it myself. There's one thing I think about every time I see this, and you probably know what I think about when I see this, but this one was $2.49 compared to $9.99, and this is called Magic and Wonder from Echo Park Paper Company. So this one contains 12 by 12 double-sided papers, including a cover, one 12 by 12 element sticker page. So you get all the papers that are up here, and then you get, it looks like these are the stickers on the back, and then these are cards. So this is what you get. So this one says Mouse at Me, so that kind of tells you what I think about when I see this. Wish upon a star. There's a little castle. There's a lot of M's involved. Happiest place ever. So this one, I just had a trip in December where we went for kind of like Christmas and for our anniversary, so I might do something with some of those pictures. And then the last ones that I got was this one here. These are not for me, but these were $2.49 compared to $9.99, and this is a Disney Princess page kit. Includes 12 papers, 4 sticker sheets, 1 chipboard punch out sheet. And I see these letters here. I don't think it says anything about these letters, so I got these. And then let me see in the back. Oh, here's the papers. So these are actually gonna be a gift. They're not, like I said, they're not for me. They're really cute and everything, but they're not for me. So these will be gifts for somebody. And I got 2 because they were the last 2 left, but definitely already have assigned for who's going to get what. But anyways, I wanted to share with you guys. Like I said, I'm gonna try to post these videos as soon as I can. Definitely great deals. So I definitely, if you are in search of some of these items, definitely go check out your nearest Hobby Lobby and see if you can find anything. Hopefully they'll continue to do these sales within the next few weeks, because that's kind of how it goes until everything runs out, so they can make space for new inventory. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.